Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Lukman IAS. Are you preparing for your UPSC Prelims 2025? Then 5 things that you should do in your preparation journey. Let's talk about which 5 things I am talking here. Yes, these are the 5 things that you should focus in next 6 months to clear this examination. The first and foremost is PYQ analysis and practice. So when I say PYQ analysis, why it is important? Yes, this examination has some kind of pattern, some kind of trend that it seeks to establish, and you should be understanding what nature of question that UPSC asks from particular section of your syllabus, particular subject, and along with that which areas it is focusing, and accordingly when you are reading a particular subject material or revising for that matter, then you should be focusing on those areas while revising. First thing. Second important aspect is PYQ practice is important because UPSC itself is having habit of repeating the PYQs. For example, right to privacy they have asked twice. In geography also they tend to repeat the places that are in news, or we can say static part or static portion, there's a rivers, hills, mountain passes. Or we can say that the article numbers in your polity section is there, or the concepts they will ask from economy or geography. So they tend to repeat the thing, and that's why PYQ analysis and practice is very important aspect. It gives you direction in your preparation journey. The second important part of your preparation is the revision of study material. Yes, of course, we believe that आपने एक बार दो बार reading कर लिया है आपके resources का. Now what is important is the appropriate revision and retaining the things that are important for your prelims examination. So revision plan should be ready with you, and after revising you should be solving MCQs or giving test. Now revision of the bulky study material or books is very challenging. जैसे हम M Lakshmikant Polity की बात करते हैं, the book itself is a kind of notes, and revision of those let's say notes or books is very time consuming and it takes lot of efforts, and that's why you should have appropriate revision plan. That means you should be reducing this study material into micro notes. You can separately make micro notes or highlight the important points there for after let's say subsequent revisions, and you should be only revising those points. This will reduce the time period of the revision, and you can give now multiple revisions to your study material. This strategy works well for your prelims, and you should focus on this thing. Now the third important aspect of your let's say preparation journey is, we can say, MCQ practice and giving mock test including AIPMTs. Yes, MCQ solving is very important because reading, understanding and gaining the knowledge has some significance up to one extent, but applying that knowledge, understanding to solve the MCQs is altogether a different game, and that's why you should be simultaneously doing the MCQ practice. The quality MCQs needs to be practiced. Otherwise in market you know that many let's say people are giving test series, and if you are let's say diverted by the less important or low quality MCQ solving, then it is not going to help you crack this examination. Solving quality MCQs and giving AIPMT, All India Prelims mock tests are very important. Why? Because it gives you standing in your competition. This is competitive examination, and that's why you should understand where you stand in the competition. Get the All India rank, and you will understand that whether you are improving your rank in this competition. This is going to boost your confidence, and that confidence is required in those 2 hours in your prelims examination. Talking about the confidence only, the fourth important point is stress management. So stress management during journey also, and stress management in those 2 hours of the examination for both GS as well as CSAT paper is very important. Stress management includes the time management also. What happens is when you are let's say coming across the tougher questions in first 5 or 10 MCQs while getting into the examination hall, it builds up pressure, it builds up stress, and then in that stress or pressure you are not able to solve the gettable MCQs also or solvable MCQs also. जो सही है वो भी आप गलत करके आ सकते हैं, और ये आपको एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के बाहर आने के बाद समझेगा कि आपका दोस्त बोलेगा अरे इसका आंसर तो ये था ना, तो आप देखोगे कि आपने गलत मार्क किया हुआ है और आपने उसको सही पढ़ा हुआ है, but still you are getting that wrong. Why? Because you are not able to handle the stress, or you are not having the temperament to judge the correct answer there, mark the correct answer. And that's why such kind of, let's say, stress management is also very important. Time management is also very important. And how to do that? Yes. Next. Yes. Fifth one, talk to mentor. ठीक है, तो talk to mentor. Yes, you may have given 2-3 attempts and you are not able to clear the prelims examination. Then how do we overcome the weaknesses? First of all, you need to know and understand that you have the weaknesses. Accept this thing. First of all, identify that. And then who is going to help you understand that, identify that? Your mentor. The expert mentors should be providing you the guidance regarding particular subject, regarding how to solve particular MCQ, how to use the elimination method, how to reduce the negative marking, and how to increase your positive marks in the examination so that you cross that barrier, cross that cutoff line. ठीक है, तो ये 5 पॉइंट्स और 5 जो थिंग्स है आपको माइंड में रखने नेक्स्ट 5 months 6 months की जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन जर्नी है. एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव एट लुकमान IAS come up with prelims guidance program that is going to start from 6th of January 2025. Now let me highlight the important features. जो अभी मैंने 5 चीजों के ऊपर बात की है, only those 5 things we will focus here in this program. First of all, PYQ discussion, trend analysis and PYQ practice. So that means for each and every subject, the faculties in the classroom, when they are talking about the important themes and topics of their area, they will give more focus on PYQ relevance of those topics and the analysis. At the same time, at the end of weekend, before your actual test series test, you will be also solving one PYQ test on that part of your syllabus. देखिए दोनों की प्रैक्टिस हो रही है, आपकी PYQ भी प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है और उसके साथ साथ में आप नए MCQs भी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं उस टॉपिक्स के ऊपर, और साथ में वीक में आपके क्लासेस भी हो रहे हैं इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स के ऊपर, सो दैट वट एवर द डाउट्स यू आर हैविंग दे विल बी रिजॉल्व्ड इन द क्लासरूम इटसेल्फ. सेकंड, द क्यूरेटेड टॉपिक लिस्ट फॉर क्लासेस is made available here, and there will be different sessions, around 60 sessions we have planned for altogether the 6-7 subjects that you are having for prelims, including your current developments, current affairs. And that's why these topics, after analyzing last 15 or 20 years of papers, the faculties have identified the recurring themes that UPSC keeps on focusing. जैसे पॉलिटी में है तो हर साल पार्लियामेंट चैप्टर से 2-3 क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है. इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स क्या है? ज्योग्राफी है तो जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी है, क्लाइमेटोलॉजी एंड ओशनोग्राफी. कॉन्सेप्ट दे विल आस्क असर्शन, रीजन, स्टेटमेंट 1, स्टेटमेंट 2 टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. एवरी ईयर दे विल आस्क दिस. Or places in news, or the static part of mapping, this has been given more weightage. So these things are identified and they are given more focus. Let me show that topic list also to you, how let's say we have added this topic list in our schedule. This is the schedule that you can download it, go through this schedule. It is available at Lukman IAS website. Let's see the geography syllabus. देखिए start हम geography से करने वाले हैं 6 जनवरी से. In the womb of Mother Earth, we have even given the funny names to these chapters or topics, sessions. Why? Because we want you to get engaged in these classes also. ठीक है? In the womb of Mother Earth मतलब क्या है कि Mother Earth या Earth के अंदर क्या चल रहा है? What is, let's say, what kind of processes are happening inside the Earth? Endogenic processes, volcanoes, volcanism, earthquake related, all the, let's say, topics are covered here. NCERT का सबसे बड़ा chapter, landforms and their evolution, very important. Every year one question minimum they will ask on landforms. बहती हवा सा था वो, that means climatology related, winds and their types and associated phenomenon, very unique. Then the terms which make us nervous, why? Because we have not understood them properly. El Nino, La Nina और El Nino Modoki, IOD, MJO, क्या है ये phenomenon, contemporary climatic phenomenon, उसके ऊपर हम ये topic पे discuss करेंगे. And then on weekend there will be test. Along with that there will be simultaneous CSAT test also with GS in each and every, we can say that weekend. ठीक है? उसके बाद देखिए गहरा रिश्ता between geomorphic processes and resource distribution, industrial location, how they are linked to each other, that thing is also discussed. We have separate topic or dedicated sessions for mapping part. जो है वो है, that is static portion of mapping world static portion of India जो न्यूज में है, that is places in news. 3 sessions we have dedicated. Why? Last 3 years UPSC has asked minimum 4 to 5 questions on places in news every year. तो जरूर ये आपको important है और benefit होगा आपके prelims 2025 में. So I was giving you just reference, go through this particular syllabus topic, the program syllabus that we have designed here for prelims examination. Now further, other features of this program, we are going to provide you micro notes for revision for each and every, we can say that, subject. The faculties themselves have made these micro notes and last minute revision purpose. You can give multiple revisions and you can cash in. Why? Because in examination you can have maximum MCQs based on these topics only. तो इसका maximum revision भी करने की जरूरत है. Then quality MCQs in sectional and mock test including AIPMTs at Lukman IAS. Panchasutra test and AIPMTs of Lukman IAS are well known among the students or aspirants of UPSC examination for quality questions. And if you give this test, you will understand where you are standing in the competition. So that's why quality MCQ solving, I told you, it is very important among those 5 things that are important for cracking this examination. Next, individual mentorship for targeted result oriented approach. Each of you can access the mentorship, one-to-one mentorship, and try to understand in every subject what kind of problem you are facing, what weaknesses you have, what strengths you have, and how to overcome those weaknesses and how to strengthen your strengths. That will be told by the experts, mentors. And along with that, they will be also guiding you how to do the elimination method in solving MCQs, how to reduce the negative marking, what strategies we can adopt. Then special sessions for time and stress management techniques. Yes, these will be conducted in periodic manner in next, let's say, 5 months of this particular prelims guidance program, and these are going to be very helpful कि कैसे, जैसे एक सिंपल मैं एक टेक्निक बताता हूं आपको, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, ठीक है, LIVING नहीं, rather living. That means if you are not understanding or not able to solve a MCQ and if you have invested 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, leave that aside. For next question, you should be completely detached to the earlier question from your mind. अगर ये mind में रहता चलेगा तो वो stress pile up करेगा, and that's why I tell students ये art of living. आप जब 100th question तक पहुंचते हैं तो आपका energy जो है 100% पहुंचना चाहिए वहां तक भी. And that's why this is how the stress management is done, the pressure handle in those 2 hours, right? And finally, the current affairs resources are also provided from Lukman IAS, like Lukman IAS bulletin program is there, or monthly magazine, and then DTRS magazine is there for current affairs based 200 MCQs. So these are going to be very important resource for current affairs. Read the magazine, solve the current affairs based MCQs, magazine based MCQs. So these are the features of this program, and you will be in essential solving the 61 tests. These tests are integrated with the classroom program in this prelims guidance program. It is going to start on 6th of January. Once again, I am highlighting this. Why? Because many students do not know the timing and all these things. You can scan this particular QR and you can join this program. It is available at Lukman IAS website also. Go through the program schedule. You can visit Lukman IAS for further counseling purpose also, mentoring purpose. You can talk to me also. Come to Lukman IAS and you can feel the difference in the guidance. Okay, fine. Thank you.